Here I have NOKIA G50, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps at the same time, this could cause your battery to drop faster, to drain faster. It could cause your phone to be laggy or something like that. So if you want to close them all at once, you can tap Recents button if you have set up 3 buttons navigation, or just access recent section with this gesture. Here you can see all of these opened apps which you don't use right now, maybe you use them, I don't know. But if you want to close them all at once, just slide here, and here you have this button, clear all, tap on it, and all these apps will be closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.